Earth, Mars, what? What?
Y'all hear that? What
Right?
is that? What you see,
Pluto?
Pluto?
What's wrong with
Talk
him?
to me, Pluto. Talk to me.
Yeah.
It's an asteroid. It's an
Oh!
asteroid and it's coming for Earth. Well, y'all might as well just let that thing hit. Y'all is not letting that rock hit my best friend. Well, you're not gonna
Come on.
sacrifice yourself, are you? You right, I'm not.
Right?
You gonna have to get hit.
Oh,
y'all,
no.
Y'all don't let that thing hit me. I don't know
Come
about
on.
y'all, but I'm about to move out
Neptune?
the way. Saturn hit it with your ring or something. Now you know I'm engaged. I can't do that. Wait. Who wanna play Simon Says? This is no time for Simon
Wait.
Says. Mars, I bet you can't play. Who can't? You. Simon Says
Why?
move a little to your left. And I did.
To your
Now what
left?
Simon says? Mars, look out!
Got him. Got him.
I'm surrounded by your